Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Umair Abab from Pingo's English School and Eureka School System. In today's online class, we have learned about article writing. I have given a brief explanation and basically an introduction of what article writing is. So in today's class, I explained to the students that any article, that means any matter which writers write regarding to any topic, in newspapers, in magazines, in social websites, whenever a write-up is written which is complete, like it's not in seasons, it's not in episodes, it's not chapter wise, the complete matter is written from the beginning to the end with including the conclusion, that is an article which can be written on any topic. It can be news related, it can be politics, sports, or any incident which happened, anything, it can be anything. So whenever we write an article, always keep in mind that first of all the format of an article is that on the beginning, like on the top of the page, the title is mentioned. Always remember, while writing a title, the title should be eye-catching, it should be curiosity generating in the readers, because if the title or the heading will be boring initially, nobody will bother to go through the article. But if you create a title which is so eye-catching and it does not give any clue of what is written inside the article, then only it creates an urge in the readers to read the whole article. So you have to make the title very carefully, and below the title, the writer's name with the designation is always mentioned. Either it's a journalist, it's an author, it's a writer, whoever is writing, the name with their designation is always mentioned. And below the name, the whole article, the matter is written. It's optional. If you have a picture related to what you're writing, you can post that picture as well. If you don't have any pictures, so you just can directly write the whole article. Some authors or some writers also prefer pasting their pictures with their names, so you can do that as well. Coming forward to the main purpose of writing articles. Articles basically give us the main idea of, we convey, whenever writing an article, the main idea of writing it is to convey the facts and figures and any news or any happening to a large audience. For example, newspapers, magazines, or social websites, all these medias have a very vast audience. So we write articles in order to convey news or any specific topic, like any matter, to the large audience. For example, if I am talking about a car accident which happened a couple of hours ago, I have to being a writer, it's my responsibility that I have to let the audience know, I have to let the citizens know what is happening in their city. So that is the main purpose of writing, and articles consist of pictures, graphs, statistics, histograms, facts and figures, and eyewitnesses statements as well. You can mention anything. Whenever we write an article, the main thing we keep in mind is that we have to complete the 5 W's and 1 H. 5 W's and 1 H means what, that means what happened, when, where, why, and who did it happen with. These are the 5 W's which have to be mentioned in the article. We never write the question that who did it happen with, where did it happen. We just answer these 5 W's and 1 H. The 1 H is how, that whatever we're writing about, how did it happen. So this is basically why the main purpose of writing an article, to convey all the details to the reader. So we should clear everything in the article so that no question can arise in the reader's mind. We should clear all the confusions while writing that article. Articles consist of 2 to 3 or more articles. Paragraphs, sorry. It depends on how long the article which you are writing. So this was taught in the class today. The homework is, in your English literature notebook, you first have to make a title page of first assessment, and on the next page you're going to make a title page of article writing. And apart from this, you have to search 3 interesting headlines of articles in newspapers, in magazines, or on any social media, which attract your attention, which creates an urge in yourself to read the article. You have to find 3 main topics, and you have to tell me tomorrow in the class discussion. You're going to tell me topics, and then we're going to further I'm going to explain it further. The same topic will be further explained in tomorrow's class. So that's all for today. Take care of yourself. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.